So the thing you see behind me, it's an old cabin or a small house in our backyard, and I'm trying to fix it, I guess. I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyway, so I guess we take a look around. So what you see here is basically I've ripped everything out, but this is gonna be a bedroom. Probably gonna have a wall there, door here, move the entrance where this window is located, I think. Add some insulation, remove this, what do you call this? Joist or sill, add a new one, probably erase the whole building. Let's take a look in the creepy cellar. And this is actually blueberries from 1968. Ooh, yep, that's a spider. I'm not staying down there. This is gonna be replaced. That's about it.